We're going to make a video for the 10 windows, which is the first foundation row in any of my tutorial patterns with the 10 after them. Tutorial wave 10, tutorial practice 10, hearts 10, whatever it be. We start with 21 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's how big the chart is, plus 3. That counts as your side double crochet, and then the gap at the top. And then it says double crochet into the sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th chain from your hook. If you prefer to have a longer window on the side, you would have 21 plus 4, and then you would go into this same spot, which would actually be the 7th from your hook. So that is how you do. Then chain 1, skip this one chain here, one here. I always like working into the back bumps, keeps things neater. Double crochet, and I guess I kind of also make things a bit sideways, but I don't know, do what works for you. Let's double crochet in here, chain 1, skip 1, go into this. So you can see now you're starting to get some windows. I find if I put too many here, then it's just a really big gap. It seems more even to me. That's why I only do an extra 3, but it's up to you. And you do it till you reach the end. If you aren't sure of your count, you could chain extra, because when you get to the end, if you have too many, it's easier to undo this than to undo all of this and start over. You know how it goes. That is magic. Almost.